Ano yan?
Pwede naman talaga ma'am, straight lang ha. Pwede na pa rin niya, naregyan na sa bus.
Ah, okay.
Wow!
Where is it? It's captured.
I love you. Maximum 2 hours. Told you. We don't go anywhere in an hour in the Philippines.
Philippines.
1 hour means 2. Oh, what is this?
Wow. Wow, Alejandra.
Oh, look at the heart. You got the heart on the concrete. Wow.
Fog.
Cloudy mountain.
Woo.
Were they inviting us to the restaurant up there
No.
after we're done?
CR.
Oh, the CR is at the
Yes.
restaurant. Okay. Is that where you'd like to eat dinner tonight? No? How come?
You like there?
Maybe
See?
maybe we'll look at the menu.
Whoa.
Oh no, just right. I love. It's just right. Nice and nice
Your
and.
favorite, your favorite.
Yes. Yes. If it's gonna be hot out, you might as well have a nice breeze, right?
Very nice there below there. Downstairs. Oh, there's a probably there's a big Oh.
Thank you.
Whoa. Woo.
Where is that hand you stand on and you take your